Hello friends, so we are going to discuss operator, precedence and associativity in Python. So in this table, the left side, the operator precedence order is given from the top to bottom, highest precedence to the lowest precedence. On the right side, the associativity is given. The open and close parenthesis is having the highest precedence among all the Python operators. If more than one open and close parenthesis present, they will execute it in the left to right order. Associativity means when when two operators are the same priority present in an expression, how it will be executed is mentioned in the associativity. Next, double star is exponential, is right to left. Next, unary plus, unary minus and complement operator. So associativity is left to right. Next, multiplication, division, then the integer division and the modulo operator. Associativity is left to right. Next, plus and minus, arithmetic plus and minus, binary operator. Associativity left to right. Then less than, greater than, associativity is left shift and right shift. The associativity is left to right. Next, the AND operator, that means the bitwise AND operator, left to right. Then XOR operator bitwise, also left to right. OR operator is left to right. So this left shift, right shift, bitwise AND, bitwise XOR and bitwise OR are the bitwise operators. Next precedence is not, in, not in, and the relational operator less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. The associativity is left to right. Next, the NOT operator, it is left to right. Not and or operator. So these are the logical expressions, logical and logical or and not operator. The associativity is left to right. So next, the if else, the associativity is left to right. Lambda operator is also left to right. Then lowest precedence is the compound assignment, equal to assignment and compound assignment, plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, slash equal to. It is the lowest precedence among all the operator. The associativity is right to left. The operator precedence determine the order in which the Python interpreter evaluate the operators in an expression. So here an expression is given 4 plus 5 star 3 minus 10 plus 2 double star 3, that means 2 power 3 exponential operator. So among these operator, the exponential operator is having a highest precedence. Then the 8 will be calculated first. 2 power 3 is 8. So that is given in the expression. Now see this 4 plus 5 star 3 minus 10 plus 8. Here the star operator is having a highest precedence. 5 star 3, 15 is calculated in the next step. So 4 plus 15 minus 10 plus 8. So here plus, minus and plus, they are having equals precedence. The associativity is coming to play a role here. The associativity is left to right. 4 plus 15, 19 is calculated in the next step. So 19 minus 10 plus 8. Again, minus and plus are having equals precedence. The associativity is left to right. So 19 minus 10 is calculated. So 19 minus 10 is 9. 9 plus 8. Now the output is 17. So here the exponential is having a highest precedence. Star is a highest precedence than plus, and plus minus is having a same precedence. Associativity is left to right. Now we will check this answer of the expression. Okay, the answer is 17. We'll check the answer. So I'm copying the expression in a spider. I'm copying this expression and I'm having a variable val equal to, I'm assigning this expression to the variable val, then I'm printing print val. I'll execute the program and check the result. Yes, so 17 is the answer. So what we discussed is correct. So about the associativity, when an expression is contained operator with equal precedence, then the associativity properly decide which operation is to be performed first. and which is next, and so on. Implies the direction of the execution is left to right or right to left. So here we are having a short description of the same operator, and associative precedence and associativity is given here. Associativity table for the arithmetic operators is given here. So highest is parenthesis. So innermost, outermost. So if you give more than one parenthesis, you are nesting a parenthesis. If parentheses are separate, it will go from left to right. Or if you are having a innermost and outermost. For example, I have said here, so if you are giving a precedence means, okay, more than one parenthesis is given separately, that is left to right. If you are nesting it, if more than one parenthesis is given in an expression, then the associativity is left right. If you are nesting it, then innermost, then outermost. In this order, it will get executed. So next is double star. So highest one. For example, based on the, I will show a demo to you. The highest value will get calculated in the double star. So how it calculated? I will show a demo to you. So in this expression, I'm giving an expression. Okay, val equal to, okay, 2 star 2 star 3. Okay, so now it means 2 power 2 and 2 power 3. So it will check which will yield the value. 2 star 2 will yield, what is the value? It will yield a value 4 only. So 2 cube will yield a value 8. So first 2 cube will be, it will be calculated, then the value is 8. After that it will be raised to the power of 2. That means 2 power 8 will be calculated next. Print value. Yes, 2 power 8 equal to 256. Check it, power of 2 comma 8, which is 256. I will show another example. Here I am changing it. Okay, I am giving 3 here and 2 here. Okay, now what will happen? Here it will check 2 power 3. Here it is 3 power 2. That means what will happen here also? Okay, it will have a highest value. So 3 square 9 will be calculated. Then 2 power 9 will be calculated later. So 5 and 2. Okay, so how it happens? So 3 star 2, because this will yield the highest value. So if you calculate 9, then 2 power 9 is calculated. We'll check power of 2 comma 9 is 5 and 2. So the results are correct. Okay, I will give one more example to you. Here I am writing, okay, 3 star 2 star 2. Here what will check? 3 power 2 will yield 9 and 2 power 2 will yield 4. So first 3 power 2 9 will be calculated, then 9 power 2 will be calculated later. Yes, here it is 3 square is 9, 9 power 2 equal to 81. So in this manner the value which yield the higher result is calculated. So that is mentioned here, highest. That is the meaning of the highest. Next, star, slash, double slash, and marlow. The associativity is left right. The lowest is plus and minus. In among the arithmetic operator, plus and minus are the lowest. So it is left right. So we'll see an example. So this is an expression. 4 star 6 8 double slash 2. So star and double slash is having equal precedence. So what we'll check the associativity, that is left to right. So 4 star 6 24 is about get calculated first. This is the first. Next, the 8 double slash 2, that is 4, is calculated. Now we are having it 24 plus 4. The value is 28. We'll check the result. We'll check the result. Val equal to this expression 4 star 6 8 double slash 2. I'm printing the value. So outcome is 28. 28 is the result. So our evaluation is correct. So our evaluation is correct. 28 is the result. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and press the bell button. Thank you.